Hello, it's Ness Tilson here. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use the Quick Design's divisions submethod. The division submethods define how the vertical uprights, shelves and other internal panels are placed in the cabinets. To access the Quick Design Divisions library, you have to go to Libraries, Submethods and Divisions. Each style in the library has a reference number that groups together the same setup with different setback values. Setback values are the REC numbers that define the distance the elements are set back from the front of the cabinets. For instance, 000-all will set back all the inner panels from the front, whereas the 010-she.mob set back the mobile shelves, and in this case it's the mobile shelves behind the doors, and the 020-she.mob sets back the mobile shelves behind open facades and doors. Here we have a cabinet with a glass door so we can see what's happening to the shelves behind the doors. By default, all partitions are flush to the front of the cabinet. Let's apply a style to set all the partitions back 30mm. If I want to set everything that is internal in my cabinet back 30mm, I'll take a 00-all style. Let's take the 30mm style. Applied to my cabinet now, all shelves and uprights are set back 30mm. For this particular cabinet, it's not fantastic because even the fixed shelf here behind the door is set back 30mm. Let's say we only want to set back the mobile shelves 30mm. I'll go into my Libraries, Submethods, Divisions, and I will take the mobile shelves behind doors and on open facades, and I will set them back 30mm. Now, only the mobile shelves are set back 30mm. Whereas the fixed uprights and the fixed shelves are still flush. It's easy to make your own style by copying an existing style and changing the copy. Let's say that we want to set back all the mobile shelves only by 3mm. Let's take the 020 mobile shelf behind facades and doors, set back 5, make a copy. Instead of putting 06 here, I'm going to put 03 for only 3mm. Select the mobile shelves, open fronts, and pressing Shift, I'll set the mobile shelf behind the facade components, and the recess here now I will put 3mm. When I click OK, and I apply to my cabinet, shelves now are just set back 3mm from the facade.